What's up, everybody? I hope that you guys are doing good. I hope you guys have had an amazing week. And I'm coming back here today again with a new training for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about bot funnels and website funnels. So, guys, again, if you have comments, if you have any questions, and if you're watching this on live, just comment below live. If you're watching this on a replay, just comment below replay. And please tell me where you're from. And another thing that I wanted to tell you, as usual, I'll be checking the comments by the end of the show. Me or somebody from my team would be there to answer your questions, or simply leave them there, and I would be happy to reply them once the training is over. So, guys, I'm going to start quickly. Let me jump over to my slides and we begin the show. Okay, so again, you're going to get a bot funnel demo when you attend live by the end. So guys, I encourage you to stay here until the end of the live, because I'll be showing you a demonstration of a bot, and I'm also going to show you how it differentiates from the website funnel. Okay, guys? So, as usual, for those of you who don't know, my name is Claude Bozizi, and um, I am the creator of the Social Networking Machine, which has sponsored this training, and you can get it through the link that you're seeing on the screen, www.snleadmachine.com. And again, it's also sponsored by botbuildingsecrets.com, which as well you can watch the demo on that website, botbuildingsecrets.com. So, guys, let's get it started. So again, at the end, you're going to see a live bot funnel demo. I'm going to show you one of the demo that I have for this, and I'll be explaining exactly what I mean by that. But then let me show you quickly what I'll cover through this training before we even continue. So I'm going to explain a little bit the difference between what I've been seeing, website funnels and bot funnels. And I'm also going to share some of advantages and disadvantages for both of them as well. So, and of course, I'll be giving you a live demo of a bot funnel by the end. And if you stick until the end, I'll be happy to show how it works. Okay? So guys, this is one of my website funnel, and we are playing around with funnels and bot funnels as well, just to see where we have opt-in rates. And as you can see, the website funnel is something like that one, the one that you're seeing there. Sorry for my slides, I forgot to remove those arrows over there. But the way it works actually, people just go on a website funnel and they input their name and then email address, and then they hit a button, and then they move to the next page where you should give them your offer. In this case, the second page that you're seeing over there is a page where I was selling this chat to cash masterclass. So after a few testing and after watching what I've been doing, testing the bot funnels and website funnels, I've been seeing a decline on the opt-in rates on the side of website funnels. And now this is what I'm going to be showing you in a moment, how it works for bot funnels, and how this has been a game changer. So guys, the way it works for a bot funnel, you know that bot funnels live on Facebook. So for the moment, at least people come from Facebook, and soon, very soon, they're going to be coming from Instagram. It's going to be integrated from Instagram, WhatsApp, text messages, and so on. So for the moment, if somebody comes from Facebook, or if you place your link anywhere, they'll be coming to your chatbot through Messenger, and that's how it should be looking like, for example. And then the good thing is, as you can see over there, we are grabbing the email address from the client or the user, because Facebook knows already the email, which means no more need for the user to enter the email, no more need for the user to enter the name, because Facebook knows already that. They just have to confirm and then move to the next step. The other good thing is, with the bot funnels, it's a one-on-one conversation, which means it's interacting. It's not like it's going to abandon, and there's a way to catch up as well for people who abandon. And then as here, this is an example that I've just showed you, that I'm just going to show you and walk you through this example here. Here is a delivery of a lead magnet, and the way it would work, the person would interact with the chatbot, and then the chatbot would ask for their name and then their email address. And once we have their email address, the second thing would be to deliver to deliver the lead magnets to their email on autopilot. So the second thing is we are generating leads. As you can see, that's the email we send over to the user, and this is done automatically through the platform that we're using here, which is ManyChat, one of the best for building chatbots. And then again, number 3, as you can see, the chatbot is going even to pitch for us, which means whenever they enter through, for example, this demonstration that we are showing you here, the chatbot is going to ask a few questions, and depending on what they are answering, the chatbot is even going to pitch for us. And what I mean by that is it's going to set an appointment. It's going to set up a sale for us. So everything is going to be done through the chatbot without us lifting a finger. And the way it works, as you can see over there, if somebody sets up an appointment, it's going to simply send me a notification via email or even a text message. And as you can see over there, this is how it works, the whole thing. So we attract with a demo, we generate leads, we give credibility through the demo, and then we set up the sale by the end. So guys, once we have the sale, the chatbot is going to redirect them here. Once they have set up the appointment, the chatbot is going to redirect them to a page like this one, where we're just going to congratulate them and then tell them the next step. And normally what we do here, we just tell them to check again their email, and then we will be sending them another email to confirm that we have received the appointment. And that's how it works. So the bot funnel sets up the sale for us without lifting a finger. So I don't lift a finger to do any of this. Everything is set once, and it's going to run on autopilot. And again, guys, the only thing that you have to do when you're done with this, you just need to send the traffic. It's going to be the passive income machine. What do I mean by that? You just place the link in your emails, in your social media, on your other social media accounts, and then if you're running Facebook ads, this is something that is going to be very massive, because you just need to send traffic, and your chatbot is going to do every single thing that I'm showing you here on autopilot, and you'll be just checking your email for the appointments that it has set up for you and do the rest by yourself. So again, here I just want to show you the advantages for both of them here and explain why. So for bot funnels, there's different ways to opt in, which means now there's a better option of, there's WhatsApp and Instagram coming to the chatbots. The only way that we had before was through Messenger, and the way now it's going to be working, it's also going to be working through WhatsApp and Instagram, which is massive, and it's still growing and it's still continuing, and it's going to be still one of the top automation tool that you have to use in your business. So that's a way of using bot funnels. On the other side is that whenever somebody interacts with the chatbot, it's going to pre-populate information. What do I mean by that? It's going to pre-populate their first name, it's going to pre-populate their email address, so they don't need to type in, they just need to confirm by hitting a button like yes or no, and then move to the next step. And another thing is, as you can see here, you have a one click to get the email and the phone number. I think I forgot to put it there. But then, so with a one click, you get, I think I showed you, for those of you who have watched the last Lead Friday training that I shared last Friday, the way it works, you're going to get an email, you're going to get 12 data, which includes email, phone numbers, time zone, gender, and so on. And this can be integrated to your CRM, it can be integrated to any of your marketing channels, and work together. So the good thing is, with chatbots, it doesn't mean that you have to stop what you're doing right now. The good thing is that you can integrate it to what you're doing right now, and have multiple channels of reaching out to your customers, your subscribers or prospects, and so on. So the other cool thing is tracking conversation using tags. So we always, comparing to an email, when you receive an email, the person who's sending the email wouldn't know what you're doing behind the scenes, apart from only clicking the links if you have some links in the email. But with a chatbot, the good thing is we are tracking each and every conversation, which means we know we know the customer journey, and we know what they are doing, we know what they are clicking, because we have tags on the buttons through the flows that we are building in our chatbot. So for those of you who don't know what I mean by a flow is just those kind of message that you set up to interact with your users, and at each phase of single messages, the blocks of messages, you just set up tags, and that way you know if somebody has moved on or if somebody has abandoned, and that's how we do the follow-up actually. So on the side of the website funnels, the good thing is they live everywhere, which means somebody can access them from everywhere. But again, the only way to opt in, which is I find it as a disadvantage, the only way to opt in is through a form. Whereas on both funnels, I remember one of the lead Fridays training, I showed you 16 ways of opting in, through the chatbot funnels. So if you haven't watched that, you can go to my page or to my YouTube account. You're going to find a training of that. It's called 13 ways to generate bot leads, and you're going to see how the different ways you can bring people into your chatbot. Another cool thing is low conversions on the side of websites. So sorry, it's not a cool thing. Now we are seeing low conversions and low opt-in rates on the side of website funnels, which is very different from bot funnels. On the side of bot funnels, we are seeing somewhere around 90% of open rates and 60 and above percent of click-through rates, so which is very huge on the side of bot funnels. Again, I'm not saying to leave your website funnels, I'm just saying to add bot funnels as a channel that is going to increase your open rates, your click-through rates, and any kind of communication that you're using for your subscribers, your clients, and so on. So this is what I had to share with you today about website funnels and bot funnels. And again, I have here a conversion comparison for you guys to understand exactly how this works. So on the side of website funnels, we did a test where you send, for example, 1,000 emails sent, and then 100 emails were opened, 10 emails were clicked, and 40% registration and 4 total registrants. On the side of the bot funnels, with the same 1,000 messages sent, 796 messages were opened, 259 messages were clicked, and 51% registrations, and 131 total registrants. And this is an example for a webinar. So for those of you who are running webinars, you know what I mean by these figures, and you know what I mean by it's very important to have the click-through rates, the open rates, and the registration rates, and so on. So guys, I hope you guys are having a good understanding of website funnels and bot funnels. And if you really want to see a demonstration of what I'm going to be showing you in a moment, just leave a comment down below. Just leave a comment down below of demo, and then I'll be sending you, me or somebody from my team or my chatbot as well will be sending you a link where you can see a demonstration of what I'm going to be showing you in a moment. So again, thanks for watching. I know this was a very short one, and if you still want to reach out to us, or if you want to work with us, there the email you have to support@claudebouzizi.com, or simply visit claudebouzizi.com and you'll be able to reach out to us. So now, as usual, I'm just going to grab my phone very quickly and I show you and I show you how and I show you that demo. Let me just get out of my slides. Let me get to the ManyChat and make sure that everything is set up correctly. So what I was saying here is I'm going to show you a demonstration of a bot funnel, the one that I showed you through the presentation. I think I have it somewhere here. I'm just going to bring it very quickly, and I hope I have it. So if I go to my growth tools, for those of you who don't know growth tools, this is ManyChat, and this is where our chatbot live. So I'm just going to bring in very quickly one example that I want to show you with a landing page. I think it's this one, where we have our board demo. And then if you want this as well, make sure you just comment demo and I'll be sending you the link to see that. Sorry, excuse me. So if I click get this in Messenger, this is it, and I view demo. Yes. So let me bring in my iPhone on the screen very quickly to show you what I mean by that. Give me 1 second while I try to figure out how to bring it or to connect my iPhone on my screen. $66.22. Okay. Now I hope in a few seconds you're going to see my iPhone popping up there, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Great. So my iPhone is already connected, and I'm now going to I'm going to put it. Great. So this is what I was looking for, and as I said, now you have my iPhone over there. I'm just going to open Messenger very quickly and I show you what I mean by that. So now, as I was telling you in a moment, the way that you would get people opt into your bot funnel is either placing a link on your social media accounts, or simply placing a link on running Facebook ads, or through the comments. As you're going to see, if you just comment demo, you'll be able to run through this demo and see exactly what I mean by that. And the way it works, as you can see here, you can't get enough of me, Buzizi. I'm excited to show you what chatbots like me do for you, for your business. And I'm not seeing a link button there, but I'm going to show you one thing. I hope it's going to bring me the right link over there. And the good thing is, with keywords, you already have a way to bring again, your chatbots, your flows and so on. So I don't know what's wrong here with, I think my Messenger is not updated, but maybe I can find something else. Let me see what I mean by that. If you see, for example, yeah, I'm trying to find something else. Give me a second, bear with me. Yeah. Anyway, I do not want to spoil this demonstration here, but if you can just comment demo, I'm very sure you're going to see what I mean by that. I just wanted to show you how it looks, but apparently, sometimes technology, it would take me time to go and update my Messenger. Sometimes it just happened like this. But then what I want you guys to understand here is when somebody gets into this, the chatbot is going to go and ask a few questions about the prospect, and then it's going to deliver the information that you're looking for. So in this case, we are just sending a lead magnet, and then when somebody continues through the demo, it's going to ask them a few questions before setting up the appointment. And when you comment below demo, you'll be able to see this. And make sure that your Messenger app is updated, because when it's not updated, again, you're going to face some trouble. Some buttons are not going to show up, and you're going to run into issues. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed, and again, if you have comments, if you want to leave and you have questions, anything, feel free to leave them down below and I'll be glad